Second lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, students. So we have completed our first chapter in the previous classes and in the previous parts, right? So let's continue with the second chapter, that is kinds of plant. So take out your EVS reader, page number 150. Okay? So all of you have seen many plants here and there from your locality, in your houses, in the roads, many where we have India in a green tree, right? So mostly you will find plants here. So you will find small plants, big trees, very big trees, right? So there are varieties of trees in India or in the world, you can see, right? So let's see this. How many kinds of plants are there? Okay. So let's go with this. First, there are trees. What do we call by trees? Trees is nothing but when a plant grows into a big plant, it is called as trees. Big trees like see. Big and tall plants are called trees. They have strong stem. The stem of the tree is called trunk. The stem part is called trunk. And most of the trees have branches. Trees lives for many years, does the plant, right? So trees lives many years. So here some of trees we find around us from our houses, in the locality or in the street, right? So this is papaya tree, this is banyan tree, neem tree almost everyone have in their houses mostly, right? Next come this coconut tree. You have seen the coconut tree also. Neem tree is also common. Well, this one is very rare. You can't find it at some other places. And papaya trees also you have seen, right? So these are the types of plants or kinds of plants. Okay, let's go with the next page. So shrubs. What do you mean by shrubs? Can anyone tell me? It is nothing but a small plant, right? It is nothing but a small plant. So they are not as big as trees, like small plants like rose plant, jasmine plant, flowers, small flowers plant, they are called shrubs. The stem is very hard and they do not bend easily. Even the rose, you can see the rose stem, if you bend it, it will not be bent easily, right? So in between it will be get a crack or doesn't bend, right? So it is called as shrubs. So live for many years, but they do not live as long as tree. So these plants are in a small way, so they does not live as long. Trees as live as long. Okay. So next come see, I'll show you the examples of this: roses, jasmine, sunflower, dahlia. Right. So these are the small plants which are also known as shrubs. Okay. Let's go with the climbers and the creepers. Climbers and creepers. What do you mean by this? So it is nothing but it does not have a strong stem. It's very weak stem, like a fallen stem it has. So they cannot stand by themselves. They grow along with the ground or just climb onto the other plant or on the other object for support. So most of them in our houses, we make a plant and we'll make a wooden plant like. So in the shade of that it will grow and grow. Most of the time it will be on the walls also, you have seen, right? The creepers, like a बेल बोलते हैं ना जिसको, उसको creepers and climbers बोलते हैं, जिसके पास जड़ नहीं रहती, sorry, जिसका stem strong नहीं रहता, weak stem रहता, it will be lying on the lands or on the houses with the supports. Okay, so let's come see. This is the pea, beans, money plant, grapevine. These all are creepers and climbers, right? So next, plants that grow along with the ground are called creepers. So the plant which grows along with the ground, this is the climbers. Sorry, this is the climbers and this is the creepers, which is beneath the ground or on the ground. Okay. So this is called creepers. Watermelon and pumpkin, right? So let's go with the next page. Some creepers and climbers live for long time, but not as long as trees. So they live for some time, but not long as long trees, the olden trees. So some live only for few months and just for a season. So most of them fruits we eat is just for the season, right? So we have ended our point here. So inshallah we will continue in the next class. I hope you understand it very well. Okay children, thank you.